All right, my friends, now that you have created your cut paper sculpture Zamorano playground, we're going to make it look even more realistic, like it could be at Zamorano by using a green screen app called Do Ink, and some photographs of the Zamorano playground. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the sculpture together with the photograph to make it look realistic. So first thing you would do, you and your partner, you're going to hit the home button on your iPad and hit it again slowly. And what we are looking for is an app called Do Ink. All right, it's going to be a pink octopus. It's going to be right here, green screen. All right, GS. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to pop up, and you're going to see other student projects on there. What we want to do is hit the plus sign, and it's going to say create new project. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and you're going to see something like this. Now the first thing you want to do is down here, it has video or image. We are creating a still image, so you want to just switch over to that. Now the first thing that we are going to be looking for is the background, the photograph. So I'm going to hit the bottom plus sign right here, select a source. I want to use an image. I'm going to go ahead and hit all, and I'm looking for a Zamorano playground photograph. You may have to scroll through a bit. Some of them are right away, some of them are not. Once I find that playground photo, I'm going to click on it, and it says use up here, so I'm going to touch that. So that pops up. Excuse me. So once I have the background, now I'm going to hit a plus sign right above that one. All right, so I'm going to hit that. I'm going to find an image again, and this time I am looking for your paper sculpture. So again, all. I'm going to have to scroll through again. Your sculpture will pop up sooner because you did it today. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you can see your photograph right there. So we talked about point of view, trying to get the perspective to kind of match the photographs of the playgrounds. So I'm going to hit use, and it pops up right there. Now you're going to notice that my sculpture looks like it's floating in the air right there. So what I can do is I can use one finger and I can move it, so I can make it look like it's on the ground. If it's looking too big, I can crop it a little bit more. Now here's the thing, when I do crop it, you're going to notice that this was not green screen, this was not green screen, because I used a green paper last year. You shouldn't have that problem. But if you do, you can crop that out, which means the photograph is going to get a little smaller. So once you find the point of view that you like how it fits in there, I am going to crop it. So I'm going to go ahead and not do that there. Never mind. Hold on. So let's say I have it. I'm going to do the cropping after I save it. Right? So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and right here, and it's going to say save image. So I do that. Okay. Now, in order to crop it, what can I do? I can go into my photographs, and it should be right here. So if I click on that, if I go to this little slider up at the top, I'm going to touch that right there. There's a little crop tool here. So now I can get rid of that on that side. You can see that, so I can zoom, I can get that cut. If I want any of the sky, if I want to lose some of that, that's okay. And that looks like it is at Zamorano. Looks believable. So what I'm going to do then is just hit done, and then that will be in the camera roll. And so what I'll do is I'll print a copy for you, and I'll print a copy for your partner. But that's it. All right, so Do Ink, new project.